Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to pair a smart tag. First, make sure your smart tag has a fully charged battery, often a small coin cell. Next, grab your smartphone and ensure its Bluetooth is turned on. Finally, download the specific companion application from your device's app store. This app is essential for managing and locating your tag, providing a seamless experience from the very beginning. Now that the app is ready, open it on your phone. Most smart tags require activation by pressing and holding a small button, typically for about 3 seconds. You'll often hear a distinct beep or see a light flash, indicating it's in pairing mode. This signal tells your phone that the tag is ready to connect, making the next step straightforward and quick. Inside the application, look for an option like Add New Device or Pair Device. Your phone will then scan for nearby smart tags. Once your tag appears in the list, tap on its name to select it. A confirmation prompt will usually appear on your screen. Simply accept it to finalize the connection. This establishes a secure link between your tag and your phone. With your smart tag successfully paired, it's time to personalize it. You can assign a unique name, like Keys or Wallet, making it easy to identify. Explore the app settings to customize alerts, such as separation notifications or ringtones. Finally, attach your smart tag to any item you wish to keep track of, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.